Well, snoring can be caused by sleep apnea, but on the Health Beat, Dr. Barry Ramo shows us that new research proves losing weight can be a cure.
More than 12 million Americans have been diagnosed with sleep apnea, but I suspect that there are many more who have it and don't know it. It's a disorder in which the breathing stops for a period of time during sleep. It leads to a lot of problems. It increases your risk for high blood pressure, heart attacks, and stroke. It can also cause snoring, poor sleep quality, and a reduced quality of life. The fatter you are, the more likely you are to have this problem. A variety of treatments, including a mask, can be helpful. But researchers have found a simpler, less expensive way: weight loss combined with exercise. In a recent clinical trial, researchers found that patients with sleep apnea who lost about 10% of their body weight were often able to rid themselves of the problem. Snoring is really no laughing matter. A lot of couples that I see talk about it and laugh about it, but in fact, it's a sign that there may be a serious problem. We know that sleep apnea is associated with a number of different diseases. If you're finding yourself waking up tired and your snoring is waking up your neighbors, it's worth checking out, not only to let your wife or your husband sleep better, but also to make you healthier. For Health Beat, I'm Dr. Barry Ramo, KOAT Action 7 News, live this morning.